Di ba ang lokal po na police ang may responsibilidad na to maintain the peace in their area of jurisdiction?
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means that they have to be familiar with the place where they are assigned in order for them to be effective, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And which means that if anything happens in your area of jurisdiction, you have to be the one to investigate, just like what happened to the Colonel Barayuga, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, but there is a responsible investigation on case, Your Honor, to respond or to conduct investigation in event there is a crime incident, Your Honor.
So, you were the one who is primarily responsible for investigating it. Is it not correct?
As part of my command responsibility, Your Honor, I'll take on supervision on my investigator on case for that demise of police.
I'm sorry, you were the lead investigator?
There is a designated investigation on case, Your Honor. And I'm only supervising, and I could not intervene or influence my investigator on case for that incident, Your Honor.
So you mean to say that you are still the supervisor of the investigator of that case?
No, there is a we have a organizational chart, Your Honor. And there is a chief of investigation who is sole responsible on all the personnel under his supervision, which is the investigator on case or all investigator under his unit, Your Honor. And overall, in the police station, I am the police supervisor as the chief of police of that place, Your Honor.
When were you appointed as chief of police of Mandaluyong City?
July, on the month of July in that time, Your Honor, 2021 or 2021, Your Honor.
How is the investigation started? Ano yung proseso po?
Yes, Your Honor. There was a radio call that immediately thereafter we dispatched our personnel to conduct yung investigation or to go after of the to those perpetrators of the incident. I was in that place. I responded in that place also, Your Honor, and naabutan ko na lang, Your Honor, yung pick up tsaka yung is the passenger side, but the driver side was already evacuated as per the witnesses in that place, Your Honor. I myself immediately also go to look for any evidence or any thing that na baka may CCTV doon sa lugar, and we called up immediately yung SOCO para ma-preserve yung crime scene, Your Honor. Yun po yung ginawa namin that time, Your Honor.
So, can you repeat again who handled the investigation?
The duty investigator during that time, it was Police Executive Master Sergeant Punsalan, Your Honor.
And Police Executive Master Sergeant Punsalan reports to you as the Chief of Police.
What do you mean?
I mean that Punsalan is the investigator, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Immediately, pag dinispatch po natin kasi yung investigator natin, he will do his job as an investigator. And immediately, we have the duty officer. It was during that time, Your Honor, it was a COVID that time. And most of our personnel and the same, I myself was staying at the police station. I lived in the police station that time. So, nakapag-responde kami, and we have this duty SDO, Police Captain Villarta, who also taking charge to do his job that time. And after gathering some information, what transpired immediately was for us to make a spot report. Just 5/8 and 5W and 1/8 muna yung ginagawa natin. Just to, there is a timeline that we are beating in the Camp Crame. Lalo na pag mga high crimes, we need to have at least within 1 hour we can make a report, a spot report on 5W and 1/8 only statement. Then we do the progress report, Your Honor, depending on the progress of the investigation, Your Honor, done by the IOC, Your Honor, on the investigator on case, Your Honor.
Yes, but as the Chief of Police of Mandaluyong City, would it be correct to say that the buck stops with you? Which means na ikaw yung may final word sa investigation?
No, Your Honor. What the investigator have done, or ginawa niya, Your Honor, yung ginawa niya yung report, kung ano yung niya, Your Honor, yun yung statement, Your Honor. I could not influence or give or to influence doon sa statement na gagawin niya. Kasi it will not make, or we cannot
pero
dun sa investigation
Colonel
natin,
Grijaldo,
Your Honor.
paano ito natapos tong investigation na to?
Your Honor,
Sinong nagpasya na itigil yung investigation?
no, Your Honor, allow me, Your Honor, to elaborate further dun sa nangyari during the incident happened July 30. On the next day, nagkaroon na ho tayo, sir, ng immediately thereafter, there is a creation of a Special Investigation Task Group, or SITG, which is to unearth yung mga other evidences, or sino yung madidiscover natin kung sino yung perpetrators that time of the incident. But nagkaroon ng consensus or consolidated effort with the district unit. So ang nag-assume ng overall control ng investigation is the SITG, Your Honor. And that time, I was just only a member of the SITG, Your Honor.
So yung nangyari, parang napunta na yung investigation sa SITG instead of sa iyo.
It's not me, Your Honor, to do the investigation. Just only the IOC, Your Honor, who is responsible. At the same time, Your Honor, it was carried on the SITG group. The investigator that time on the incident, the same investigator being appointed on the SITG, Your Honor.
Pero di ba ikaw yung office nyo yung nagsimula ng investigation, so pagkatapos nun, pinasa sa SITG or sa CIDG?
Pinasa namin, Your Honor, kung ano yung initial nagawa naming investigation. And the CIDG was then also a part of the SITG, Your Honor. The composition of the SITG is the IOC of the station. I myself also a member. The D7 or the DIDM, the District Investigation Detective Management Unit, the CIDG, the SOCO, the overall chair of the SITG, Your Honor, was the district operation, DRDO, we call it the DDO, Your Honor, Deputy for Operation, Your Honor.
So Colonel, kahit ikaw po yung nagsimula ng investigation,
Yes, Your Honor.
you were not the one who finished the investigation. That's what you're saying?
Yes, Your Honor. It was because in SITD, Your Honor, there is a need to compose and to comply within the period of 6 months. If it is not been
Pero
sold,
tingin ko po, Colonel, na parang agad-agad na transfer yung investigation sa SITG. Is this correct?
no, Your Honor, it was the district director who take cognizance of the incident, Your Honor. So as just a station commander, Your Honor, I yield to the wisdom of the district director.
So
That time,
you're
Your Honor.
saying that you did not terminate the investigation, but you yielded the investigation instead to the SITG.
The time, yes, Your Honor. There is a continuing effort on the station. I myself, together with other police officer, I give them tasks also to do some efforts. Like I send them to take some affidavits of the security guard on PCSO, the personnel working with General Barayuga and other witnesses, the vehicle that bumped the
So,
that was
Colonel,
bumped
you're
the
saying
pickup
that
time, Your Honor.
with all of these resources that are in your hands or within your reach, binitawan mo pa rin yung investigation at binigay sa SITG.
I mean, Your Honor, hindi naman ibig sabihin binitawan. Ibig sabihin, we just give the district the opportunity or for us to have a better in the conduct of investigation, Your Honor, mapabuti kasi ang effort nun marami ng unit eh.
Kasi
Hindi
sa
lang yung
tingin ko-
station. So mas mapapabuti po natin na masolve po yung problema, Your Honor, yung crime na nangyari.
Normal po ba na, do you usually do this, Colonel, na yung may mga high-profile cases like this one, binibigay agad sa CIDG or sa SITG?
Yes, Your Honor, there is a in the PNP operational manual, there is a creation of SITG every time incidents involving
Sa tingin ko po,
terrorism
parang
or whatever.
this is very concerning because parang pinapasa mo yung trabaho nyo eh, na dapat ikaw yung gumawa, especially this investigation. I think that's irregular, Colonel Grijaldo. And gaya ng sinabi mo kanina, yung mga local police yung nasa pinakamagandang position with the most familiarity with the area. And now you're saying that it is normal procedure for you to just pass it on to the SITG. I find this really concerning and baka may personal na interest ka kung bakit ma-terminate agad yung investigation. Ayon sa PNP National Police, sa Philippine National Police Internal Affairs Service, may ongoing investigation ba regarding this IAS?
Your Honor, we've been charged before the Internal Affairs Unit. And
So you were charged
yes, Your
by
Honor.
the IAS.
Yes, Your Honor. We have a administrative complaint for us, Your Honor. I have here with me the charge sheet. Administrative complaint against Police Colonel Grijaldo for neglect of duty, irregularity in the performance of duty, misconduct, incompetence, conduct unbecoming of police officers. We already submitted our counter affidavit on this incident, Your Honor.
When was that case filed by the Internal Affairs Service of the PNP?
We made to do the counter affidavit, Your Honor, last September, Your Honor.
Would you agree with me that the Internal Affairs Service would not have filed this case kung wala naman silang makikitang o nakitang anomalous or irregular activity during the investigation, di ba?
Hindi ko naman ma-question yung ang function ng IAS, Your Honor. So, it has the rightful job din ng IAS to conduct investigation and make charges on all personnel who being involved in that incident, Your Honor.
Colonel Rialdo, are you also under restrictive custody? And were you relieved from your post from the PDEG, PNP Drug Enforcement Group, because of the anomalies uncovered during the investigation?
No, Your Honor. I was still with the PDEG that time. And
that time when the Internal Affairs Service filed this administrative complaint against you, you were still with the PDEG?
Yes, Your Honor.
How about now? Are you still with the PDEG?
We are not on a restrictive custody, Your Honor. It is a administrative. We still reporting to the PHAW, Your Honor. It is a admin holding unit, Your Honor. Ang kinuha lang po sa amin na Your Honor, is that we don't have a position to perform, Your Honor.
At ang mga... So would it be correct to say that you are being investigated right now by the IAS?
Yes, Your Honor. We have submitted already our counter affidavit, Your Honor. And
tapos ang reason siguro ng IAS ay dahil meron kayong pinagtatakpan. Is that correct? Is that one of the reasons for this investigation by the IAS?
Hindi ko po hindi po ako pwedeng mag-assume dun sa investigation. I-preempt natin yung investigation ng IAS, Your Honor, because they're still conducting on the liability on the those personnel being investigated on this case, Your Honor.
Colonel Grijaldo, kilala mo, do you know Colonel David Puklay?
Yes, Your Honor.
At nung nakaraang Quadcom hearing, parehas kayong tinanong tungkol sa investigation regarding...
Just I could not remember, Your Honor.
Do you remember that you were asked regarding the findings of the SITG? Nung sa last na Quadcom hearing, do you remember na may tinanong sa'yo regarding sa findings sa SITG?
Your Honor, hindi ko na matandaan, Your Honor, kung natanong po ako regarding do sa result ng SITG. Because as far as I know, Your Honor, the investigation conducted by the SITG was turned over to CIDG, Your Honor, after a period of 6 months, Your Honor.
Do you remember na yung tinanong ka tungkol sa mga natuklasan yung posibleng motibo, ang sagot mo noon ay dalawa lang ang natuklasan yung motibo, di ba? Na work-related, or do you remember that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Kindly wrap up, Congressman Son.
During the last Quadcom hearing, hindi mo man lang binanggit na meron palang alegasyon na sangkot ng allegedly si Mr. Barayuga.
Yes, Your Honor. I could not confirm that he was involved in the Yung sinasabi po natin, Your Honor, na kung yung knowledge lang po namin, Your Honor, sa Intel, just confined within our area of jurisdiction, Your Honor.
Yung sa investigation report nyo na that you submitted, did you include the fact that Mr. Barayuga was part of the watch list?
Hindi ko na po ano yung napag-usapan doon, Your Honor, doon sa pag wrapping up or the nung nagkaroon na ng ano, Your Honor, yung resolution yung SITG, I was already relieved as Chief of Police of Mandaluyong, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair.
Just a manifestation, Mr. Chair, because based on this interpellation, it would seem that the witness has a propensity to withhold crucial information and he always claims that he has no knowledge of the matter, notwithstanding the fact that there is evidence to controvert his statements. And ito ay nakakabahala at posible namang maging hadlang sa ating investigasyon kasi gusto lang talaga natin yung katotohanan. No more questions, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Suwan.
Mr. Chairman.
DSJJ, I just would like to ask a very short question to Colonel Grijaldo in relation to the questions asked by Congressman Suwan. Doon ba sa investigasyon nyo, you were the Chief of Police ng Mandaluyong when it happened, correct?
Yes, sir.
And base sa inyong investigasyon, sa nangyaring yon, ano ang posibleng motibo?
Your Honor, hindi na nga po ako nakapag na-discuss during the ng SITG report because I was not already that time.
On whose orders the SITG was formed? Is it the Chief of Police or somebody higher than you?
On the district level, Your Honor.
So and who was that?
The district director, Your Honor.
And he was the district director at that time?
Just I could not remember the...
Imposible naman, Colonel, hindi mo matandaan yung immediate superior mo.
Just I'll check, Your Honor.
Check, I'll give you 30 seconds. Please check.
Yes, Your Honor. Check ko lang, Your Honor.
No, hindi naman kapani-paniwala na hindi mo matandaan kung sino yung superior mo. If you're trying to cover up for someone, do it in the most professional way, so to speak. I don't know if there is really a professional way to do that, but there is some semblance of cover-up.
The letter order number 1657, the subject matter is the composition of SITG regarding Wesley Barayuga. It was by the command of Police Brigadier General Almasan, Your Honor.
General Almasan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pagka sinabi bang district director which covers the area of Mandaluyong, ito ba ay part of the NCR?
Yes, Your Honor. Pamarisan, Your Honor. Pasig, Marikina, Eastern po, sir. Yes, sir.
So Eastern. And that time, the Eastern Police District Director was General
Almasan, Your Honor.
Almasan.
Opo, Your Honor.
Siya nag-order na mag-create ng SITG.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, did you not conduct an immediate initial investigation on that incident that happened within your area of jurisdiction? Wala ka bang ginawang investigasyon?
Nag-conduct din po kami ng investigation, Your Honor. We were able to get affidavits of those duty that time in PCSO. I was able to extract the CCTV on the fronting the...
So what is shown on TV yung sa side
Yeah, Your
So
Honor.
you have
There was
another-
an establishment, Your Honor.
Meron kang another video.
Ano, Your Honor? It was only the CCTV that time on the establishment on the side, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what was the finding? What was your findings in your initial investigation?
Yung inano namin, Your Honor, yung perpetrators, Your Honor, sinundan namin yun, binacktrack din namin, umabot hanggang dun sa Guadalupe, yung CCTV ng MMDA, Your Honor. We have taken also CCTV from
And
MMDA.
what was the conclusion of your, what were your findings? Anong findings nyo? Anong motibo?
We were on the personal grudge, Your Honor, and work-related, Your Honor, that time na-establish namin. Then it was forwarded, Your Honor. It was taken by the SITG already in the
Did you
district
put
level.
in your report that he was involved in the, did you put that in your report?
Just I could not remember, Your Honor, if it was put on record or on the investigation report done by the investigator or the IOC, Your Honor.
On the issue of why it took for the district police to create the Special Investigation Task Force. Kasi doon po yung nag-intriga sa akin. Tama po ba, I will not discuss anything about your affidavit, Colonel. Just want to ask you straight questions, and I hope you
Yes,
will
Your
not
Honor.
invoke your right against self-incrimination. Now, is it correct that when the Barayuga happened, that was during your time as the chief of the Mandaluyong City Police?
Yes, Your Honor.
And immediately after, when that took place, on the same day, you all immediately conducted an investigation. Is it correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And sino yung head ng investigative team na ito? Kasi parang hindi ho kayo, sabi niyo po sa committee ito ay hindi kayo yung directly na nag-imbestiga, but you rather form a team and you had assigned or delegated someone in your office or in your police district to handle the investigation. Tama po ba? Sino yun?
No, Your Honor. It is the duty investigation because
Okay.
we are on a duty basis, Your Honor. Every day there is a duty investigator to be available in any incident happen to respond for that.
So makatuwid, you're in the office, you ordered, and there's a duty investigation, meaning sila yung nag-respond doon sa crime scene, sila yung nag-collect ng mga, kung ano man yung mga ebidensya na makokolekta nila. You mentioned also about CCTV, at sila yung gumawa ng report na yon at binigay sa'yo. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. It was the duty SDO, Your Honor, to make a report to the district, Your Honor, because we are on a hierarchy, Your Honor.
No. I'm asking you, Colonel, from the very start, gusto ko lang maintindihan yung regular process of investigation. May nga sa ilan unidentified, di ba? So, pumunta doon yung mga tao mo, sila yung nagkolekta, I don't know, pumunta ba ang SOCO, nagkolekta sila ng mga ebidensya, and then yung kinakolekt nila, nireport nila, sinubmit nila sa'yo. Tama ba yung aking pagkakaintindi yung proseso?
The spot report, Your Honor, is given to the duty SDO, Your Honor.
Okay, so the SPART report, hindi pa
Immediately.
tapos yan, Hindi pa conclusive, hindi ba?
Only relevant information, the 5W and 1H, Your Honor.
Oo. And
Then,
then,
immediately, it will be sent through to the operation of the district.
not
unit.
directly to you?
No, Your Honor.
Why?
Because we have some delegated officer that time, Your Honor, responsible to send the report, Your Honor.
So in terms of hierarchy, Mr. Chair, just want to be clarified. In terms of hierarchy, you're the chief of Mandaluyong City Police.
Yes, Your Honor.
Before it reaches a much higher level, it has to go pass through your office, hindi ba?
Minsan kasi, Your Honor, pagka chief of police ka, Your Honor, you have to supervise only. There is a duty SDO and a duty investigator. So sila yung nag-aano po ng report, Your Honor, and they just inform me about the incident. But at that time, Your Honor, I was there also in the incident. So just to read on the report being submitted, to be submitted to the district level.
So
Your Honor.
do you mean to say that all of that are being investigated ay nagka-create sila ng special investigation task force na diretso sila sa district na hindi na sila pupunta sa iyo? Is that what you're telling us?
Hindi naman lahat ng murder cases, Your Honor, nagkakaroon
Okay,
ng
so
SITG.
what made the Barayuga case?
Because
Did you request for the creation of special investigator task force? Because I don't medyo nahihirapan kong intindihin Kasi kayo po yung police chief, hindi ba? So everything that happens in your territory or area of jurisdiction, it must pass through to you before it reaches a much higher level.
Yes,
Tama
Your
po.
Honor.
Is that,
Yes, Your Honor.
tama po yung aking
Yes, Your Honor.
pagkakaintindi. No. Itong Barayuga, supposedly, ang frontline, of course, I give it to you. Ang pupunta talaga dyan ay yung mga unang magre-responde, mag-iimbestiga. Diba? Hindi naman necessarily ang police mismo, chief of police. Kasi sa laki ng area of jurisdiction mo, hindi naman lahat ng barangay dyan or kung saan mismo yung crime of sin ay pupuntahan mo. Tama po yun. Hindi naman mo kaya yun.
Yes,
That's why
Your
you have to delegate.
Yes.
Now, but before it reaches the level of, say, for example, district office, it must pass through to you. Di
Yes,
mo ba?
Your Honor. Yes,
Tama.
Your Honor.
So yun ang gusto ko maintindihan. Is this a regular occurrence? Meron ay nagka-create kayo ng special investigation task force?
May determination, Your Honor.
Okay, what are the determination? What made
involving-
this Barayuga case so unique in a sense that it has to create a special investigation task force? Because, Mr. Chairman, to me, the impression is that parang it was taken from you, the investigation. So what made the Barayuga a special case for the district level to take jurisdiction over the investigation of this case?
On our PNP manual, Your Honor, there is a qualification in order for a case to be or subjected to SITG. That time, it is a government official and a high profile yung...
Is it also part of the reason why the much higher hierarchy or office to take over doon sa mga cases of investigation when there's also a, say for example, an allegation or anything na remiss o na overlook na hindi nila mabigyan or hindi i-allow or hindi i-continue ang isang mas mababang opisina kasi something about the investigation may be remiss. That's why a much superior or much higher office needs to take over. Di ba, isa yun sa mga requirement o criteria na minimension mo?
Yung nangyari po, Your Honor, is kami lang sana gagawa, dapat gumawa ng investigation. But pinalaki natin pinabroad natin yung mga magiging involved dun sa pagkandak na investigation, kaya nagkaroon tayo na SITG. Hindi rin inalisan kami ng function dun sa We also a member of the SITG, Your Honor.
So what was...
Dinagdagan lang yung composition para mapabilis po yung pagkandak ng investigation, kasama na yung CIDG, para magkaroon ng consolidated effort na ma-resolve po yung kaso, Your Honor.
So what was your initial investigation, your report, before the Special Investigation Task Force was created? Did you have?
We submitted the investigation report that we have, initial investigation report and the progress report that we have to the district level, Your Honor, to the D7 or the District Investigation Detection Management Unit. Kasi sila na yung nagko-collate po ng lahat ng report coming from those members of the SITG. Kunyari, nakakuha sila ng report dun sa SOCO, isa-submit din ng SOCO yung report dun sa investigation, co-collate din, magka-come up ng... nagmi-meeting ho yan, Your Honor.
Yeah,
Every time there will be a meeting. So, kung ano yung ng member, pag nung chairman ng SITG, he'll just, the Chief of Police, Colonel Geraldo, you conduct to follow up on this matter. CIDG, you follow up on this. Then, every week, we have this meeting for us to sum up with to analyze on or to assess on the reports that being gathered by different units on that time, Your Honor.
So, your initial investigation in your report, yung progress report, so I presume when you use the term progress, ibig sabihin, it's an evolving investigation, hindi ba? Your initial report, you submitted to the TG, I'm sorry. Was there any portion of your initial report that was changed?
No, Your Honor. It is approved initially by the IOC and the Chief Investigation at to my level. Then isasubmit namin yung report na na gather nila. Then it will be received properly by the IDM. Kung ano yung sinubmit, in toto po yun, Your Honor. Kung ano yung content ng yun din ng report na nandun sa kanila, Your Honor.
So the succeeding investigation as a follow-up complemented your initial report. Yun ba yung gusto niyong sabihin sa komite? That nothing was changed? Nothing was even improved on?
Hindi ho tayo immediately, Your Honor, na magkukulod kasi nga we could not file a case unless it is airtight,
No,
Your
before
Honor.
tayo mag-file, what I'm asking you is that your initial report that you have arrived at as a product and a result of your immediate investigation.
Hindi ho kami hindi namin binabago yung
No. I'm asking about kasi progress siya, di ba? So it could be mayroon bang na-amend? Okay, I'll use the word na lang na-amend or na-improve. Was there any portion of your report, initial report, that was probably changed because of a new evidence that corroborated this kind of angle, yung angling, ganito? Meron bang sa report ninyo na mas na-improve o na-amend ng Special Investigation Task Force?
It is the head of the SITG, Your Honor, to
No, I know.
improve.
I'm just asking you yes or no. Was there? Na may nakita kayong portion na mas na-change yung tono or yung manner by which you were arrived a certain hindi naman conclusion kasi progress siya, pero kumbaga yung assessment ninyo before na nung nag-take over ang SITG, then kulang pa ito, then we will improve on this. Was there any portion of your initial report that was changed or amended?
In the station level, Your Honor.
Kasi progressive sabi mo, di ba? So it has to evolve, hindi ho ba? And for some portion, it has to change one way or the other. Kasi progressive report ito eh. It continues on. Was there any portion of your initial report that was changed or amended?
No, Your Honor, the term we're using, Your Honor, is the progress report in terms of the continuing investigation being conducted. Like, shall we say, on the progress report, we send personnel to gather the CCTV. Then we made that report as progress report. But it's not conclusive yet, Your Honor, unless otherwise it will be collated from different members of the SITG, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to know how long did the Special Investigation Task Force took effect?
It took effect immediately.
How long the duration of the investigation?
To have a resolution of the SITG, it needs 6 months, Your Honor. Then, if it is not been resolved, it will be turned over to the CIDG as a cold case, Your Honor.
So, six months itong ginawa, yung effectivity ng Special Investigation Task Force.
Yes, Your Honor. It was terminated after 6 months, Your Honor.
How long did you conduct the investigation from your level before the creation of the Special Investigation Task Force?
I think it takes 3 months on our station level, Your Honor. But it is continuing, Your Honor, because there is a IOC.
No. How long was your initial investigation operated from your level?
Until such time, Your Honor, na...
How long? Don't
6
give me
months.
abstract answer. How long?
Your Honor, I am not the IOC. I mean...
No, how long did... Kasi di ba, may initial investigation kayong ginawa before nag-special task, before nag-expand, di ba? Kasi naging task force na eh. Sabi mo, pumasok ng iba-ibang agency. How long did you first took jurisdiction of the investigation prior to the expansion of the investigative body? How long?
Your Honor, hindi naman kami tinanggal dun sa pagkandak na
I know,
investigation.
hindi kayo nga tinanggal.
But it was...
Yung kayo pa, yung wala pang other agencies na nag-investigate, how long? Kayo nag-imbestiga?
Continuous yung investigation namin, Your Honor.
Yes, before, nung wala pa yung mga agencies, before naging Special Investigation Task Force, kanina nagkaintindihan tayo, bago naging Special Investigation Task Force, may criteria yan. Hindi yan typical. Sabi mo, tinanong kita, is this a regular occurrence under police protocol investigation? Sabi mo, hindi naman. Kasi may mga, criteria yan for it
Yes,
to
sir.
become a special investigation. Okay, I give you that. So pag special, may mga other agencies papasok din para mag-expand yung membership at saka para mas comprehensive yung investigative efforts ninyo. Tama ho ba? So
Yes, Your
before ho naging special yan, syempre, meron pang initial na stage. Yun yung office ninyo. Bago ho pumasok yung ibang agencies, ilang buwan po kayo, ilang weeks, o ilang taon kayo nag-imbestiga? Yun ang gusto kong malaman.
Your Honor, that time, it happens July 30. And on the next day, there was already a SITG on the July 31. May order po kaagad na...
Meron na order
SITG.
kaagad?
Yes, Your Honor.
Na kailangan mag-expand.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. Mr. Chair, gusto kong malaman, Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask our... so meron pong report nitong SITG report on the Barayuga.
Yes, Your Honor. We have a spot report, Your Honor.
No, yung final. Progress report pa ba
There is
ito?
a resolution by the SITG turnover to the CIDG, Your Honor.
Okay. May we ask, Mr. Chair, may I confirm for our Secretariat if we do have that document? That report?
Comsec?
Yes, sir. We have a SITG report.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. On that note, Mr. Chair, I yield back my time, and again, perhaps I would ask further questions again also on this matter para lang po mas mapabilis yung case ni nung Barayo. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Adyong.